Productivity is not just about getting things done, it's about making every moment count. It's about being intentional with your time, focusing on high-value tasks, and constantly striving for improvement. Embrace productivity as a way of life, and watch your accomplishments soar. Productivity is the art of maximizing your output while minimizing your effort. It's about working smarter, not harder, and finding innovative ways to achieve more with the resources at hand. Let efficiency be your guiding principle, and productivity will become your faithful companion. The secret to productivity lies in the power of purposeful action. When you align your tasks with your goals, infuse them with passion and intention, and approach them with unwavering determination, you unlock a level of productivity that propels you towards extraordinary achievements. Productivity is not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. It's a commitment to continuous growth, relentless self-improvement, and the pursuit of excellence in every endeavor. Let productivity be the driving force that propels you towards a life of fulfillment and success. Productivity is the harmony between focus and discipline. It's the ability to channel your energy towards the most important tasks, to drown out distractions, and to stay committed even when the path gets challenging. Cultivate these qualities, and productivity will become your steadfast ally. Productivity is the result of deliberate choices, conscious habits, and a clear vision of success. It's about organizing your priorities, eliminating time-wasting activities, and creating a structure that empowers you to do your best work. Embrace these principles, and watch your productivity soar. Productivity is not about doing more, it's about doing what truly matters. It's about differentiating between busyness and meaningful progress, and focusing your efforts on the tasks that align with your goals and values. Let purpose be your compass, and productivity will be your faithful guide. Productivity is the symphony of efficiency, consistency, and focus. It's about mastering your time, optimizing your resources, and maintaining a relentless pursuit of excellence. Tune into the rhythm of productivity, and watch your life transform in remarkable ways. Productivity is not a one-size-fits-all formula, it's a personalized approach that aligns with your unique strengths, values, and aspirations. Discover your optimal workflow, leverage your natural abilities, and design a productivity system that empowers you to unleash your full potential. Productivity is the fusion of inspiration and action. It's the ability to convert ideas into tangible results, to bridge the gap between vision and execution. Fuel your inspiration with knowledge, fuel your action with passion, and witness the extraordinary impact of your productivity. Productivity is the art of balancing efficiency and effectiveness. It's about maximizing output while staying focused on what truly matters. Strive for effectiveness in your actions, and let efficiency be the fuel that propels you towards your desired outcomes. Productivity is the result of intentional choices, disciplined habits, and a clear sense of purpose. It's about aligning your actions with your long-term vision, making conscious decisions about where to invest your time and energy, and consistently moving towards your goals. Productivity is not about being busy, it's about being purposeful. It's about taking deliberate steps towards your objectives, breaking down complex tasks into manageable chunks, and executing with precision. Embrace purpose-driven productivity, and watch your progress accelerate. Productivity is the art of managing your time, energy, and attention. It's about setting boundaries, eliminating distractions, and immersing yourself fully in the task at hand. Master the art of focus, and you will unlock a level of productivity that is truly transformative. Productivity is the intersection of preparation and opportunity. It's about laying the groundwork, honing your skills, and being ready to seize the moment when it arrives. Invest in your personal and professional growth, and open the door to endless possibilities. Productivity is not about doing more in less time, it's about doing the right things at the right time. It's about prioritizing, delegating, and making conscious choices about where to allocate your resources. Let effectiveness guide your decisions, and watch your productivity soar. Productivity is the outcome of a clear mind, an organized environment, and a well-designed workflow. It's about decluttering your physical and mental space, streamlining your processes, and creating an environment that fosters focus and creativity. Cultivate order, and productivity will follow. Productivity is the art of balancing action and rest. It's about recognizing the importance of rejuvenation, self-care, and downtime as essential components of sustained productivity. Honor your need for rest, and you will return to your work with renewed energy and clarity. Productivity is not a race against time, it's a dance with time. It's about being present in each moment, fully engaged in the task at hand, and leveraging the power of focused attention. Embrace the rhythm of time, and let it become your ally in the pursuit of productivity. Thanks for watching.